Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book, Art Mind for Step 4. Today we are going to do page number 9. We will draw a rabbit. For drawing it, we need a pencil, and for coloring, we need pencil colors. Let's start drawing. Firstly, draw two oval shapes as you can see on the top left corner of page. Like this. Make sure these ovals are overlapping each other. Upper oval will show upper body of rabbit and lower oval will show lower body of rabbit. Now draw the ear of rabbit on the upper oval. After this, draw the legs and tail on the lower oval. Complete your drawing by making eyes, nose, and lips of rabbit. Like this. So we have done it. Now let's start coloring. Simple. Take any light color and color the whole body of rabbit by it. Students, make the stalks in one direction only. For highlighting nose, lips, eyes, I use black color. I hope you have learned it. Students, practice it at home. Allah Hafiz.